Welcome back, my people. Let's continue with our discussion. As I said, since we started this channel, we will continue giving you educational bangers until you achieve or you know what you have to know. Every topic you bring about, we will discuss it in deep and according to our knowledge. Before we continue with our next video, let me appreciate you guys for the support. Let's keep the support on. Let's continue subscribing, sharing our videos so that they may reach the whole world. Let's get back to our topic of discussion, whereby we are on hemorrhoids specifically. What can I do, or what can a lady do to treat hemorrhoids in pregnancy or during pregnancy? So, hemorrhoids are swollen blood vessels, and we explained this yesterday. They are swollen blood vessels in, around the anus and the lower rectum. So, to ease the discomfort of hemorrhoids during pregnancy, do as follows. Or the following steps can ease the symptoms and relieve pain during pregnancy. Number one, or point number one, soak. You soak the hemorrhoids in warm water. Soak in a bath filled with warm water, and don't put soap or bubble bath in water. Don't put soap or bubble bath in water. Number two, so that point means if you soak the hemorrhoid in warm water, it will relieve pain and the symptoms. And the water must be plain. It should not be soapy water. Number two, avoid sitting for long periods. Avoid sitting for long periods of time, because sitting puts pressure. Sitting puts pressure on the veins, around the rectum or the anal region and anus, and you should take frequent breaks or sit on a hemorrhoid pillow. You take frequent breaks. Don't sit continuously. Alternatively, you can sit on a hemorrhoid pillow, also called a ring cushion or a dag nut. Number three, use an over-the-counter remedy. Use an over-the-counter remedy. Here, you can apply witch hazel medicated pads. Witch hazel medicated pads to the anal area, or hemorrhoid cream, or rectal suppositories like the ones which are common are called anisole, that are safe to use in pregnancy. A point to note: constipation contributes to hemorrhoids during pregnancy. Constipation can cause or leads to hemorrhoids during pregnancy. So, what are the steps you should take to make sure that you don't constipate, or what can you do to relieve constipation during pregnancy? Number one, include adequate or enough amounts of fiber in your diet by eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. Eating a lot of fruits and vegetables which are rich in fiber. Fiber will always improve your digestive system and increase the bulkiness of your stool, and this makes it easier for you when passing out bowels. Number 3, ask your healthcare provider to recommend a safe fiber supplement to take during pregnancy. You can ask your health care provider or your doctor to recommend a good, safe fiber supplement to take during pregnancy, and the supplement must be safe in pregnancy. Remember, we are also taking care of the baby inside the womb. Next point, drink a lot of fluids. Drink a lot of fluids, as this will soften the stool and make it easier to pass out during defecation or bowel movement. Next point, include physical activity, and this is very important. Though when you are pregnant, it's hard to do a lot of exercise, but you should include physical activity in your daily routine. Physical activity helps in improving your digestive system. A point to note, and this is very important, if your hemorrhoids get worse, talk to your healthcare provider. Surgical treatment might be recommended after pregnancy. If your hemorrhoids get worse, talk to your healthcare provider or your doctor, and surgical treatment might be recommended after pregnancy. This marks the end of our discussion today, and in our next video we'll be talking about diagnosis, or how can you tell that a person is having hemorrhoids, and what are the modes or modalities of treatment available for piles or hemorrhoids. Guys, thank you for your support, thank you for your time, thank you for being with me, thank you for the subscriptions. Let's continue subscribing, liking and sharing our videos, and if you subscribe, make sure you hit the subscription button on, the notification button on, so that if we upload any video, YouTube will automatically notify you, so that you may not be left behind. Have a wonderful evening.